How to fix multiple devices problem on Play Store install on more devices. In order to fix this multiple devices problem, open the official site of Play Store on any browser of your choice. So for now, let's open Chrome. Once you get access on your browser, on the web address bar, you need to search for Google Play. So on this result page, you will be able to find out Google Play link on the first. So you have to select it. Once you select the link, you will get access to the Google Play Store app. But let's come out from this, and then what you need to do here is you need to select the URL of Google Play and you need to select open a new tab in group in this box. And you have to select the Play Store at the bottom right corner of the screen or bottom left corner of the screen next to Google, as you can see. So select it. Then after that, this will open the Google Play Store on your site. Then let's tap on profile icon at the top right corner of the screen. So make sure to choose the account where there is the multiple devices problem. Then you can select library and devices. Then you have to scroll at the bottom and select the devices. So if you have multiple devices on this page, you just have to uncheck mark the device that you want to remove from the Google Play Store, and then once you have removed or uncheck mark these devices or multiple devices on this page, it will help us to fix multiple devices problem on Play Store install on more devices. So I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, then make sure to hit the like button. If you are new, then subscribe to our channel for more updates.